Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Alisa Abdullaeva and I'm here to help you to create harmonious relationship between a man and a woman. And today I would like to go over 10 things that makes a man's heart melt. So ladies, listen to it carefully. Remember, take notes because these are fundamental and very important things that will make your man happy. Number one, tell your man more often you are strong, you are powerful. Men love to hear things like this. Number two, men love when we massage their back. They love the touch. So whenever he's tired, exhausted from work, remember at least once a week, give your man a massage. He would truly appreciate that. Number three, don't fight with him. Don't argue with him. And more often tell him, sure, honey, we'll do as you say. That makes men feel confident that you trust him. You trust his decision. Build his confidence by saying that more often. Number four, tell him, I respect you as a man. Men adore, men love to feel that you respect him. So tell him that more often, that I respect you as a man. Number five, trust him. Don't be jealous. When you show jealousy, men feel that you're insecure and they don't like that. Show your confidence by telling him more often, I trust you. Number six, by the way, men love gifts too, but men like gifts that they really need and really like. I've noticed that my husband really loves different t-shirts. And so once a month at least, I'm gonna go shopping and I'm gonna find him the t-shirt that he likes. He likes a special v-neck, he likes it colorful. And so I find him a t-shirt and I give him that as a gift. Also, he likes a lot of technology things, so I buy him also maybe new microphone or new speaker for his phone. And so try to get to know your man. What makes him happy? They don't have to be expensive, my friends. If a gift is more than $50, you're overdoing it. Men can buy you expensive gifts, but not you. Number seven, a man loves to feel like heroes and therefore ask him for help, but not often every day or every week. Every once in a while, if you're dating him, ask him to help you and acknowledge him, appreciate him after he completes that. And if he's your husband, ask him to help him, but again, not on a daily basis by making him feel that he is a terrible man by not taking the trash out or not doing the remodeling. Ask him gently what you need help with and then appreciate him. Number eight, men love when we acknowledge and appreciate or feel proud of him, and when we do that in front of relatives or friends. So more often, acknowledge him in front of people. Number one, men love also when you listen to him with admiration. So when he tells you something, listen to him, but with admiration that you're proud of him. He's your man. And number 10, finally, when you get scared, get close to him so you feel that he is protecting you and that he is strong and that you're vulnerable and you're feminine and weak. So with that said, these are the 10 things that I would like for you to start practicing. But my friends, don't do it on a weekly or monthly basis. Do them on a daily basis. With that said, namaste, and I wish you happiness in your relationship.